নমস্কাৰ আজি অলি বাইদেউৰ ল'ৰাৰ বিয়াত আছো আৰু মোৰ লগত আছে দুগৰাকী ইউ আৰ
from England.
England. You are from?
I'm from England, originally Nigerian.
Okay, you are from Nigerian. So how do you feel here?
It's wonderful. It's amazing. The food is great. Everyone is wonderful. They treated us very well. The wedding is beautiful. We're very happy.
Okay. Dulka is here. How are you?
Fine.
Fine. And you are from Nigeria.
Yes.
How do you feel here?
I'm excited. It's beautiful here. Very nice.
Yeah, the marriage ceremony, the rituals, all the items. How do you feel?
It feels good. It feels very beautiful. It feels everyone is family. It feels like home.
Yeah.
Very.
Yeah.
I don't want to leave. I want to stay here.
Okay.
You have a house for me?
This is the first time for you.
No, my second time in Assam.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet
And
you.
what is your name?
O2.
Oshi. OT.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So how do you feel here?
Great.
আৰু দলিব আছে দলিব কেনেকুৱা
বঢ়িয়া
বঢ়িয়া এনজয় কৰিছে
একদম তামাম এনজয়
আৰু আমাৰ বেটি আছে বেটি কেতিয়া যাম বিয়াত
বেটি বিয়া 15 তাৰিখে আহিব 15-17
17 তাৰিখে আমি ৰিচিপশ্যন যাম আমাৰ ছাৰ কমল বৰ্মন ছাৰৰ ছোৱালী মোক নহয় ছোৱালী বিয়া 17 মে ডিচেম্বৰ আহিম আৰু বাইটো সদায় থাকে বাই How do you feel, bye?
Oh, really?
Oh, thank you, bye.